Now let's continue Master Amazon Kinesis. In this, let's continue next important uh, topic in Kinesis data stream is Kinesis data streams. Short form is KDS, Kinesis data streams. You may have a idea of messaging systems. We create a topic, right? We create a topic, and in this topic, we get data. Yes or no? In generic or different other messaging or streaming systems. So in this topic, we are going to write data continuously. Topic. Similar way, in Kinesis, we will create a data stream. We will create a data stream. We will create data stream. In this data stream, we are going to write messages. We are going to write messages. So using any of different approaches you can use, then you can write messages into this data stream object. Later, you can configure Kinesis Firehose, Kinesis Firehose, Firehose to read this streaming data and write it into targets. Write it into targets. Okay. So a data stream can hold continuous streaming data. So a Kinesis data stream is a real-time data streaming service that allows you to ingest high throughput data from multiple sources, from multiple producers. From multiple producers, you can write continuous streaming data into this data stream. And later, we can use consumer, like if we configure Kinesis Firehose, it is a consumer to this stream. It is responsible to write that streaming data into targets. Or you can write a Java application, or you can write a Python application, or you can write a AWS Lambda application to read this data, write it into target. Okay. Let me add one more point here. Producer, producer, and consumer, consumer for this data streams, consumer for this data streams. Okay. Here, first we will create a data stream. First we will create a data stream with a number of sets. Then using producer, previously we seen direct put. It is going to put data directly into a Firehose. So instead of data, continuous streaming data in streaming source, for this purpose, we have one direct put option. We directly generated data into Kinesis Firehose. This is one. Next one. Here you can write Java or Python or Scale or .NET, etc. etc. AWS Lambda, AWS Lambda, AWS Lambda, or different technologies as a producer. Then you can write messages into this Kinesis Firehose, Kinesis data streams. Okay, this is first important step one. step 2. Because step 1 is creating a data stream object, Kinesis data stream object. Step 1 is a creating Kinesis data stream object. Step 2 is writing producer applications using any of the languages, or you can use AWS Lambda to produce data. Other side, step 3, you can write consumer application like Java, Python, .NET, .NET, or AWS Lambda, etc. to consume this data and write it into targets. Instead of writing these kind of applications, Kinesis people given a component called Kinesis Firehose. You can configure data stream, you can configure target. It will read all streams data. It will write it into target location. You can use any of the consumer technology. You can write it. You can connect with the Kinesis data stream and read the data, or AWS Kinesis people given a component called Kinesis Firehose to read this streaming data. Okay, clear, right? What is Kinesis data streams? Yeah, let's understand. We seen what is Kinesis data stream. Now let's understand components in this Kinesis data stream. First important one, a data stream with sets. We will create. A stream we will create. It is a pipeline for continuous streaming data. In that, we give a partitions like other technology. In AWS Kinesis, we have a said a unit of capacity in a stream. Then producer is an application. It writes messages into this stream. And the consumer is another application. It reads messages from this stream. And in this, producer going to write a message, right? Each message we call it as record. Every record contain a partition key, and every message contain a sequence number. Based on this sequence number, we can understand what are messages we read. Let's say sequence 1, sequence 2, sequence 3, sequence 4, and our consumer read sequence 3. Then it will continue from sequence 4. That's why every message contains one unique ID called sequence number. So these are different components of Kinesis data stream.